Hi, this is Timothy Howard with GardenCenterMarketing.com. We've talked to a lot of garden centers over the years, and one of the common problems is being able to get sign holders into the ground where it's gravel or very hard, or both like it is here in North Carolina. Our new multi-purpose stake helps solve that problem. All you have to do is drive from the ground down to the stabilizer bar and you'll be good to go. And that's all it takes. Once you have the multi-purpose stake installed, you have two options for your sign. You can use our custom faceplate that has tabs on the back. All you do, squeeze in the little field goal post, slide them through the tabs, rest it on the stake, and that's all it takes. Or you can use Coroplast and run the field goal post up the flutes of the Coroplast like that, push it down, and that's all it takes. And remember, hard ground is no match for our multi-purpose stake.